Guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today, we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. And so, I guess the gist of this game is there's a button. Oh! And you're not supposed to press it! So, every time you press it, something random happens. Like this. It says reach the top of the mountain. Holy cow, there's a lot of snowballs. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wah! I don't want to get hit by a snowball. Whoa! Wait, yo, there are Yetis! Let's go! What the? Whoa! Ah! I got frozen. Go, 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 go. So what happens when you reach the top of the mountain? Whoa. Whoa. What happens if we fall? Aha! I'm just going. How much time do we have? Oh. North Pole, let's go! I won! Hello? Is anybody in there? Okay. Ha! We made it! Ah, there we go. Coin. Coin. Ah, score a goal. I got this. Give me the ball. Ah! No! Did we win? Is there like a winner? Or is this just like, I want that coin. Yoink. I got it. Whoa. Where'd the ball? Did you push it off the edge? Guys, that's not what you're supposed to do. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh! Ah! I died. That ain't it. Oh. Press the button. I pressed it. Uh-oh! I pressed it. What did it? Oh! Okay, I got this. I got this. Come on. I can't mess up. So skills. Got all the skills. Holy cow, that's a lot of snow. Please, 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 I beg you. Ah! I was so close. I can still make it. I can do this. Ah! I'm staying behind you, buddy. We can make it to you. What did you just do? Ow! Just okay. That was unfair. I got this. Press the button. Hey, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Come on. Leave me alone. No, 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 no. This is my soccer ball. Why is it? I'm just gonna say goodbye to your precious soccer ball. Ah! No, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. Leave me alone. I got this. Get out of my way. I scored a goal. I did it. I won. Okay, what now? Press the button. Boop. I pressed it. Has what? Get to the finish line. Sounds easy enough. Whee! Oh! Whoa, that was close. Alright. This is fun. Wee, 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 wee. Nice. Oh! Ah! I did it! I'm gonna go back just because I can. Hi! Hi! Ah! Button. Watch out for raining bombs. Huh. Whoa! Okay. Huh. Not many bombs over here. Okay. See, this is easy. People are dying. Whoa! Oh, I won. Yay! Wait. Oh. Color the most amount of tiles. Oh! Do. Haha! It's in my corner now. Okay. No. Stay away from my corner. No, they're taking my spot. Go away! This is my wall. My wall. You hear me? My wall. I'ma win. Oh, I won! I actually won! Let's go! Woo! Oh, I got this. Oh. Careful, there are mines. Oh, okay. Just don't step on the mines. I said just don't step on the mines and you'll be fine. Why'd you step on the mine? Ha. Yoink. What can we get in the shop? Ooh, pizza. I love pizza. Hot chocolate? Let's get some cake. Oh, I can't get some cake. Pizza! Nom. It's infinite, let's go! Yes! Whoa! Ooh! Yo! Huh. I guess there's not much you can do here except for, are you really? I'm gonna try making it. Yeah. Oh, there's no way I got, no. No way. Bye. Oh. Press the button. Get ready. What? Snowball fight. Ah! Get out. Get out. Oh, I hit someone. I'm trying to get you. Get out. Okay. You. Haha. Oh. Get out. How are you still alive? Okay. Uh-oh. Take this, buddy. Oh! Haha, I got another one. Ah! Leave me alone. Oh, what did I do? Whoa. Whoa. Go away. Ah, I got another one. Blood. Ah! No! I died. Uh-oh. Well, that was fun. Let's go again. Okay, so the person that clicks them... Dude, come on, no. I'm clicking so hard. Yes, I won still! Yes, let's go! That's nice. What? On your marks. Oh, no. Go. How are you so fast? Okay, I gotta make it to that one. Come on, no. Oh. She just got all of them. This sucks. They just died. They didn't want to be here anymore. Let's just eat the pizza while we're going. Yeah, this is how you like it. You walk in with the pizza. I did it. Oh. It feels so good to walk. What the? What? happened? I just died. Well, what an unfortunate turn of events. I think they can win. Yeah, they're gonna win, aren't they? Hey, they did it. Yay! Oh. Yoink. Tsunami! Okay, okay, gotta get up here. Whoa, this is cool. Ladder. Ladder. Ladder! Oh, it's right there! Let me up. Oh, one up. Ah! Oh, 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 I survived! Yes, we survived! I could have climbed that, right? Woo! That was close. Oh, come on, bro. No. I'm just going. Wow, that's a lot more clicks. Yes, I won again! I'm the best. Give me the coin. Yoink. Now what? Whoa, spleef. Oh, wait. No, not spleef. Bud. Oh, no. Hey, I'm gonna cut you off. Uh-oh, wait. Why can't I jump? Oh, no, I can't jump! How is that fair if you can't jump? Now I can jump. Wonderful. Haha. Find the hole in the wall. Oh, ha. Oh, I don't know this. Oh, someone died. Get someone else out. Is that it? I think that's it. Whoa! Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. There's one up there. No, you don't, buddy. Give me that. Yay! I survived. Nope. Whoa! Snowball fight! Go, 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 go. Hey, you. Why are... No. Get out! Come on. Yes! I am destroying, you. Whoa. This is nice. Get out. Bye-bye! Whoa. Yes! Did I win? Who else is there? Who's there? Show yourself. There are two people? Are they hiding in the... Oh, you! Get out! Oh! Did I win? What the? Find the button? How are you supposed to find a button like this? This is hardly fair. Wait. I found it. What? I found it too. Oh no, this isn't it. Are we supposed to run up there? I don't... No way I can make that jump. No way. I got this. Me and this guy, and that guy up there who is obviously cheating, right? Whee! Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh, that's good. No. Stay close to the light. Ow! People are dying. I got this. I haven't seen this one before. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no! Better not. This is easy. Whoa, ow! It's dark.
Pizza!
Oh, this heals me. Yes. Yikes.
Yummy, yummy.
Whoa. Wait, do I forever get this Bloxy Cola? Let's go! Reach the end. Whoa! Woo! Ow. I guess we gotta try again. I want to reach the end. I got this. Come on. I did it! Ha! Beat that! Yeah, you're dead. Hi there. You have a rainbow carpet? Bye. Hello. Why are you running into the wall with your carpet? Can I go backwards? Ow. I still won. Giant volcano watch. Oh my goodness! Oh, come on.
Yummy.
Okay, I'm getting this coin. What? Holy cow. Whoa. Ah. No. This is bad, my friends. Whoa. I'm just gonna head on out. Oh, come on. Ah. Ah. It's killing everybody. Except me. Ha. Okay. Yay. Oh, dodge the lasers. What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold up. Whoa. Oh, this is cool. Dude, everyone but me and this guy just oofed. Ugh. Ugh. Yes! I won! Get out! I got that skill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whee! Let's go! Whee! Ugh! Haha! Alright. Complete the obbies to build a snowman? Ow! Okay. I'll finish this. Alright. Complete the... Ow! Ow! There are so many obbies. I'll try this one. No, there's not a lot of time left. Whoa, no! Huh. Interesting. I got this. Come on. Come on. I can make it still. Oh! What? What just happened? Let me try this one again. Come on. Come on. Easy. Does that? Yes. No! Oh, I don't got this. How are you supposed to beat this in 5 seconds? Ah. Oh, come on. This again. Alright, let's finish this up and then I gotta head out. Wah! Okay, that was too close. Way too close for comfort. Alright, I win. Right? What's up, bro? Ugh. How you doing? Yep. Bye. While I'm doing this, let's just quickly buy. Whee! Haha! Guys, that's enough for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you later. Take me!